In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view on Salesforce. To get started, open Salesforce and sign in with your own username and password. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the object where you want to change the view. This could be something like leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, or cases. The important thing is to open the specific records page where you want to work, because list views are managed separately within each object. After you've opened the object, look toward the top left area of the records page. You'll see the list view dropdown. This is where Salesforce stores the different ways you can look at your records. Depending on the object, you might see options such as recently viewed, my accounts, all accounts, my open opportunities, or today's leads. These views are essentially filtered record lists, so each one shows a different set of data based on the criteria built into that view. To change the view, simply click the drop-down and select the one you want. As soon as you do that, Salesforce will refresh the page and display the records that match that view's filters. This is the fastest way to switch between different record groupings without manually searching or sorting every time. If you want to customize the current view, you can do that from the List View Controls icon, which looks like a gear. Click that icon and choose the option that fits what you need. You can edit list filters to change which records appear, select fields to display if you want to adjust the visible columns, rename the view to make it easier to identify later, or open sharing settings to control who can access that view. These options are especially useful if the standard views don't quite match your workflow. If none of the existing views work for you, you can create a new one. Next to the list view menu, click New, then enter a name for the view, choose who should be able to see it, add your filters, and click Save. This is a great option when you need a custom setup for a specific team, process, or reporting need. Finally, if there's one view you use all the time, you can pin it as your default. Open the list view you want, then click the pin icon at the top of the page. Once it's pinned, that view will open automatically whenever you come back to that object, which can save you time and keep your workspace consistent. And that's how to change your view on Salesforce.